Hey guys, today we're going to be going over text morphs, as in editing text, making it bold, italic, higher, lower, big, small, deleted, marked, highlighted is what I mean, headers, and horizontal lines. Let's get right into it. Alright, here we have our index.html on our browser, titled it text morphs, and we have our body, and this is where we're going to be writing all our code. First I want to show you the header tags. Header tags work like this. H1 is the biggest header you can get, right? So H1 header, save this. This is a really big header. Now H2 is a bit smaller. H2 header. This is smaller, and it goes all the way up until H6, I think. H6 header. Yep. Goes up all the way up until H6 header. Now the higher number in the header tag that you put, the smaller the header is gonna be. That's how header tags work. Next we're gonna go on to horizontal lines. Horizontal lines are self-closing tags, meaning unlike these header tags that have two tags, one with a slash, one without one, this one contains the slash in itself, so it doesn't need a closing tag. This horizontal line, as you can imagine, makes a horizontal line. Now we're going to go on to the actual text editing tags. First we're going to go over the bold tag. This is B bold text. Now as you can imagine, this makes the text bold. One quick thing I want to show you guys is the BR tag, meaning break line. It adds a new line, so if I add this text and then I add whatever text, it's going to be on a different line, whereas if we didn't have this, it would be on the same line. We also have the it's NBSP, but I forgot what it actually stands for. Basically what you just write is and NBSP colon, and it's going to add a non-breaking space, because even though we have so for example, if you did this without the NBSP, right, and we added multiple spaces, on the actual page it's not going to register those multiple spaces. But if we put and NBSP a bunch of times, right, like this, it's going to add multiple spaces, right? Of course I don't really recommend this, as you can just use the BR tag, which works pretty fine, because I mean, if you're gonna really add multiple text, you can just put it like this, but I recommend the BR tag. Alright, first we're gonna go over bold text. This is, oh wait, next we're gonna go over the italic tag. So this is italic text. If you save this, italic text. After that, we have the subscript. This is subscript text. This makes the text go lower. We next have the superscript text. This is superscript text. As you can imagine, these tags are usually abbreviations of what it actually does to the text. Superscript text makes the text go higher. Next we have small text. This is small text. This, unlike the other ones, isn't actually an abbreviation of what it actually does to the text. Now this is smaller text. Next we have big text, which as you can imagine makes the text bigger. I don't know why this is purple on my screen, but doesn't really make a difference. As you can see, this is bigger text. Next we have inserted text, meaning underlined. So this is inserted text, underlined. Next we have deleted text, meaning strike through. This is deleted text. And finally, we have highlighted text, which is in HTML called marked. This is marked text. And this is now highlighted. This is all the different text modes, including the horizontal line. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. I will be going over CSS, JavaScript, and React.js to make websites similar, like Facebook, add functionality to that kind of stuff. We won't be actually making something as broad as Facebook, but it will teach you how Facebook is made, the general base of it.